So we want to know how much one scanner costs, and statement 2 just gives us a ratio without any actual dollar amounts. So I'm going to go ahead and say that statement 2 doesn't stand any chance of being sufficient on its own, and we can go ahead and eliminate the answer choices that claim that it is. So B and D are gone, and we're down to A, C, or E. Now statement 1 does give us an actual dollar amount, but I have no way of knowing how much of the $1,300 was paid for the scanner versus how much was for the 3 printers. So statement 1 isn't sufficient on its own either, and we should go ahead and eliminate A. Now we should probably use a ratio table for combining these statements, and I'll show you what that looks like right after the intro. So we know that a printer costs 4 times as much as a scanner, and we also know that there were 3 printers and only 1 scanner. So if I look at the total amount spent on printers versus the total amount spent on the 1 scanner, I can go ahead and say that there were 12 ratio units of money spent on the printers compared to 1 ratio unit of money spent on the scanner. And this is because we know that 1 printer costs 4 times as much as 1 scanner, so therefore 3 printers would cost 3 times more, so 12 times as much as 1 scanner. And so once we have that ratio of money spent, so printers to scanners is 12 to 1 for a total of 13 ratio units, now we can map the 13 ratio unit total to the $1,300 figure and infer that the 1 ratio unit then is worth $100, right? If 13 ratio units are $1,300, 1 ratio unit would be $100, and so we are able to answer the question when we combine these statements, and therefore the correct answer is C. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.